In this video, we're going to show you how to use VIM bindings in Obsidian. VIM bindings allow you to navigate and edit notes using keyboard commands inspired by the VIM text editor. For users who prefer keyboard-driven workflows, VIM bindings can significantly improve speed and efficiency when working inside Obsidian. Whether you're managing research notes, writing documentation, creating study materials, or maintaining a personal knowledge base, using keyboard shortcuts can help reduce reliance on the mouse and streamline your workflow. However, many users are unfamiliar with VIM's editing system and may find the commands intimidating at first. Learning a few essential commands can make a big difference in how quickly you move around your notes. The good news is that Obsidian includes built-in support for VIM bindings, making it easy to enable and start using them. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to enable VIM bindings in Obsidian and use some of the most common commands for navigation and editing. So, let's get started. The first step is to open Obsidian and access the Settings menu. Next, navigate to the Editor section. Scroll down until you find the option called VIM keybindings. Enable the toggle to activate VIM mode. Once enabled, Obsidian will begin using VIM-style keyboard controls while editing notes. Now, open any note and click inside the editor. One of the most important concepts in VIM is that there are different modes. By default, you'll start in normal mode, which is used for navigation and commands. To begin typing text, press the I key to enter insert mode. You can now edit the note as you normally would. When you're finished typing, press the escape key to return to normal mode. In normal mode, you can move around the note using keyboard commands. For example, H moves left, J moves down, K moves up, and L moves right. You can also use commands to quickly navigate through words, lines, and paragraphs. Another useful command is DD, which deletes the current line. You can also use YY to copy a line and P to paste it below the current position. As you become more comfortable with VIM, you can explore additional commands to improve your editing speed and efficiency. The more you practice, the more natural these keyboard-driven workflows will become. In most situations, this is all you need to do. Now, let's quickly recap what we covered. First, open Settings and enable VIM bindings. Second, learn the difference between normal mode and insert mode. And third, use common navigation and editing commands to work more efficiently. Remember that VIM bindings can take some time to learn, but they can provide substantial productivity benefits once mastered. Using keyboard shortcuts for navigation and editing can help reduce interruptions and make working with notes much faster. This is especially useful for writers, developers, researchers, students, and power users who spend a significant amount of time working inside Obsidian. Taking a few minutes each day to practice VIM commands can gradually improve your speed and confidence when managing notes. And that's how to use VIM bindings in Obsidian. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Obsidian. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to help you get the most out of your digital tools. If there's another Obsidian feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.